Hello, in this JavaScript video, I am going to show you comments. So what's a comment? It allows you to essentially write something that does not get run. You might be thinking, why would I waste time writing something, basically coding something that isn't actually even run? And there's two main reasons. One, it allows you to essentially annotate code. So if you've created some really complex algorithm and some process, and let's say 50 lines of code, it can be difficult to keep track of exactly what's happening, especially if you come back at a later date or if somebody else is working on it as well. They don't fully understand it. If you comment it, you can basically give some context of what it does, how it does it. The other reason you can use comments is when we actually get to JavaScript code, comments allow you to essentially prevent an actual line of code from running, and that's called commenting out code. And the great thing about that is, if you wrote something, it's not quite working, maybe it's breaking, producing errors, and you're scratching your head thinking, could it be this line, or more importantly, could it be these 20 lines? I don't want to delete it and accidentally save it or anything like that. If you just comment it out, the code is still there in your editor. It just won't get run. You can test it and you'll be like, oh, this wasn't the problem, so I can just uncomment it out. So let me show you how it all works. So we can use any of the tags, this one or the file. I'm just going to deal with and do it in the custom.js file just to separate things out. Okay, in here, if let's say we were to I'm just going to create a simple variable. I'm actually going to explain this in a separate video, so just bear with me. And maybe this is something epic. I can comment it, and I can do that by doing 2 forward slashes. And if I write something here, let's say, hello, this is an epic variable. As you can see, this text editor is gray. It's set to JavaScript mode, and it's sort of a grayed out color. And what that means is this is a comment. It's not going to get run. So if I just save that, go to the website, refresh, go to inspect, and go to custom.js file, go to I made a mistake here. This is not meant to be source, this is meant to be text. So just make sure you update that, please. Reload, go to sources. As you can see, we've got that right here. And this is fine, it doesn't produce any errors, because if something had happened, an error would get kicked off here. It doesn't actually do anything. Okay, so that's one way of doing a comment. The other way, which was commenting out a line, is 2 forward slashes, like so. If you have multiple lines of code, so what I'm going to do quickly is create a bunch of variables, just assign them the value 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you want to comment out multiple lines, what you can do is do / asterisk, and this will keep commenting out lines till it hits asterisk / So / asterisk opens a multi-line comment, and asterisk / closes a multi-line comment. And if I put var i5 equals 9, i5 sound like a Intel processor, as you can see, it is this right color now. So that's it for comments. That's really all you need to know. So make sure you use them when you do comment your code to provide context like this and explain what is happening. Make sure you do it as you go along, because if you say, oh, I'll do it at the end of the project or at the end of the day, or the end of the coding session, what ends up happening, you're tired, you can't be bothered, you get to it and you say, nah, I'll do it next time. And commenting is easy, but it takes such a long time if you let it add up that you just don't end up doing it. So make sure you do it as you go along. So that's it for comments. As usual, any questions, feel free to hit me up. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in my next video.